Ah, the perfect sub.
Hey, what is that?
It's a sub, you know? Yeah. Sub.
Got that at that one place. You know the give me that fillet fish, give me that fish. I love their work. You know, it's amazing.
No, it's the $5, you know, $5 foot long. Any.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. So, can I have your sub? Can I have it? You know, can I have your sub? Can I have it? You know, can I have it? You know, can I?
No, why would I give you my sub that I just paid for? Like, why would I do that? I don't want you to have my sub. It's my sub. And my drink.
You sure about that? 'Cause I'm a ninja. In training.
Where'd you get the club from? Did you like pull it out of your butt or something? What is that? What is that?
Hit her hard! What?
It's okay. I'm all good. I'm suing this place.